Pero parang sa GC, bumabata. Tama ba?
Yes!
Yes! Pero totoo nga, siguro may mga nagugluta tayo dito, stem cell therapy, ano ba? Ano ba yung secret nyo?
Brilliant.
Younger and younger. Kanina ko si sorry, I forgot your name. Tyron. Akala ko din ako si Tito Billy. Ang bata niya, ilang taon siya? 34? Akala ko 20s ka na. Galing. Asa si Raymond, si Forever Young. Yes! Abutan ko, bakit ka dito? I always love the swing. Yan ang GC. And, you know, 18 years being with you guys, we have a lot of history with each other. Kaya may konting tansyawan tayo.
Kaya nakakaya pag walang pe.
Again, no, I'd like to congratulate everyone and greet everyone a happy 18th birthday. Ang galing. Kasi no, if you guys know, ang sabi nila statistics, di ba? Most often than not, startup businesses will fail the first year. Yung mga makalampas, meron din tataog after 3 years. Medyo legendary yung 18 years. That's GC. And since 18 years ko na celebration, i-assign ko sarili ko sa 18 candles. Okay na. Why? I'd like to share some things that would hopefully give a lot more light, no, to the future of Green Circle. Alam nyo, I saw a bunch of you sa Westwood na sales kick-off this year. Sino nandun? Raise of hands. Yung may speakers tayo galing IDEA, galing yung landscape consultant namin. There were a bunch of you who were there. And in that event, ang sabi natin, ibang-iba ang Cavite. Kasi ang Cavite, parang every other week, may bagong kwento. That time, that was, what month was that? April ba or March? I don't remember anymore. Basta March. Yeah, I heard March. That time, ang daming mga news out in the media about all of things Cavite. Ngayon, July. April, May, June. 3 months later. Check nga natin anong sabi nila kung marami pa bang kwento about Cavite. Now, yung mga sasabihin ko, hindi galing sa akin. Pag sinerch nyo si Google, ito ang headlines ng media outlets themselves. Right? Sabi nung April, Tanza Barge Terminal opens. Offers alternative to trucking. Tanza. Anong nasa Tanza?
Lamore.
Mikara. Anong project ang bago sa Mikara?
Lamore.
Lamore. Naku, nagsisimula na rin doon. That's just April. Sabi nung May, AII Bank approves financing for Bataan Cavite Internet Bridge Project in the Philippines. May pondo na ang bridge. Alam niyo ba nasan malapit yung bagsakan ng bridge na yung in Cavite? Also, but malapit din siya kay Mikara. Ano ulit nasa Mikara?
Lamore.
Pa rin. Dalawang kwento sa isang quarter. Bongga. Sabi din, new Pinoy contractors to finish C5 Cavitex Calax links. Dugtong-dug. Anong nakatabi din C5? Anong nabubuksan ng C5? BGC. Ano nabubuksan ng Cavitex? Siyempre, Cavite. Ano nabubuksan ng Calax? Laguna. Can you imagine? Konektado lahat. Sinong nasa gitna?
Lancaster.
Oy, tama! Punta tayo sa June. Sabi ng June, Calax Cavite segment on track for Q3 2025 completion. The whole stretch. Governor's Drive Interchange opens by August 2024. Uy, kailan yun?
Next month.
Next month. Cavite ang Governor's Drive, right?
Yes.
So, Cavite na naman. Sabi din, partial operations of LRT-1 Cavite Extension expected by October 2024. Malayo pa ba yun?
Kapit na.
Lapit na rin. Next, SM breaks ground for 8th mall in Cavite. And the biggest in Cavite. So, may yung SM na yan? Gen 3? Saan particularly? Sa Lancaster yung city din. And syempre, sinundan agad. Uniqlo warehouse in General Trias. Saan din to?
Lancaster.
Lancaster din. Grabe. You know, these are things that are not news to us. Kasi sa totoo lang, us sa management of ProFriends, bago pa pandemya, niluluto na po namin to. That's how long range we do as a planning. Pero, may news pa rin na nagulat kami. Last week lang lumabas. Ang sabi, Metro Pacific Tollway Corporation wants to link Naik and General Trias in new toll road plan. Wow. Alam nyo kung nasan si ProFriends?
Yes.
Parang swak yung dalawa, no? Ang tawag dyan, swerte na yun. Kasi sa negosyo, magkahalo ang tiyaga at swerte. Tsaka talino pa na. Yan yung mga kwentong lumabas in just 3 months. So tama ba na parang hot na hot ang Cavite?
Yes.
So, ano ginagawa ni ProFriends about it? Siyempre meron. Just last week, nag-planning workshop kami. We invited 2 distinguished gentlemen. Yung isa, his name is Dr. Stan Padohino. He is the president of the University of Asia and the Pacific. More importantly, he was the one who did the study on the housing industry of the Philippines. And he's the one updating it. Bigatin. We also got Mr. Ahmad Modi. Hindi ko lang pagkilala ni Tita Helen tsaka ni Tito Billy. Mr. Ahmad Modi used to be the president of Pag-ibig. Right before this current one. Right now, it's Manang Malen. Before her was Sir Ahmad Modi. So we got them to give us an outlook on the Philippine economy and the Philippine housing industry. So ano sabi nila? Sabi nila, the Philippines, kahit na wala siyang gawin na kakaiba, will become an upper mid-income status na country by latest 2025. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Meron pag-upper. Kung galing ka sa lower, na naging upper. What it means is that the general household income of the Filipino people is rising. Mas matataas ang kaya nilang gastusin. Kung tingnan natin yung numero, average income doon, 40,000 pesos a month. Average yun. May mas baba, may mas taas. Pag i-compute mo ang tinatabing pera for housing, that's around 12,000 pesos a month. Anong mga projects ang may monthly payment ng around 12,000 a month now? Westwind at how much? Magkano Westwind per month? 8,000? Ano ba? Sorry, nakakalo ko na yung mga projects. And see, Lamore, how much per month?
8,000 din.
That's why, yan ang disenyo niya. Ang sabi rin niya,
Plan pala yung mga
upper range of that income is at 60,000 pesos a month. Sinong project ang may monthly household income requirement na 60,000?
Brandcast?
Si Minami. So nakikita nyo, tinutono ng ProFriends ang projects niya sa kakayahan ng iba. Sabi rin ni na Dr. Stan Kanin Sir Ahmad, so population pyramid, alam niyo yung population pyramid? Sabi doon, sa Pilipinas, parating mas marami yung mas bata kaysa sa matanda. May kakaibang nangyari. Last year lang. Yung dami ng mga kids at 5 to 10 years old, pareho na sa dami ng kids ng 0 to 4 years old. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Mas konti na pinapanganak na bata. Mas maliit na ang family household size. Sino dito may anak na? Sino ang may anak na 3 and up? Ayun. Ang daming bumangos na kamay. Pero, sino din walang anak?
Walang anak.
Sama ko doon. Ay, Shaisen. Nakikita nyo, just in this room, the household size is smaller. Millennials right now have 2 kids or less. Pag taga Metro Manila ka, isa lang. Sabi ko, statistics hindi ako. Sabi rin nila, the OFWs will continue to be a thriving market. Dadami sila. Bakit? Actually, other countries, hinahabol na po tayo. Nagpapirate na po sila. Because they see the value of Philippine workers. More countries, dati US, Dubai, etc. lang. Ngayon, makikita nyo mas marami pa. Ang question is, have you looked seriously into this market? Or, natitisod nyo lang na meron silang kamag-anak na OFW? Iba ang utak ng OFW. Pag tinarget nyo sila, marami kayong mararating. Plus, para sa kanila, ang kondo, acceptable, kaagad. That's a key marketing insight. And finally, sabi rin niya, BPOs and KPOs will soon be as much as OFW. Kung dati, OFW lang marami, ngayon, BPO. Magiging kasing dami na. And in time, dadami pa. Kung alam nyo yun, may gagawin ba kayong kakaiba? Ang BPO mas bata din. Anong hinahanap nila? Yung mga bangko at saka mga pag-ibig, sumusunod na din sa mga positive news na to. Pag-ibig will start to become a ₱1 trillion fund by next year. That means, mas marami silang pera to loan out. So si ProFriends na pumasok sa pag-ibig ng maaga din makaka-enjoy sa benefit na yun. But what's more, ang bangko hinahabol din si ProFriends. Bakit? Kasi ang dami din po nilang pera. Naghahanap sila ng negosyo. And ang negosyo nila is home loans. By Q4 this year, bababa na po ang interest rate.
Wow!
Alam nyo, nasasaktan ng market, no? But yes, that is the fearless forecast. Ang kailangan nyo kasi, confident ang buyer nyo na kaya nila bayaran.
6.5 kasi ngayon.
Now the market will start telling them the same thing. And you need to echo the message. Tama mo ba?
6.5.
Yes.
Pero nung
Do you like the news so far?
Yes!
Pero kaya
bad
nila.
news ng konti.
Dami namin buyer nun.
Unfortunately, for the housing industry, cost of production aakyat talaga. Ang lupa, mahal na. Hindi na gaya dati ang presyo ng lupa ngayon. Nararamdaman na yan ng ibang developers. Bumili ka, no? Lupa. Akala ko lupa, bumili ka ng West. Raw land. Raw land mismo. Mahal din. But yes, mahal ang Westwood dahil mahal na rin ang lupa. Swerte ang mga developers na una na ang nag-land bank. Sino yun?
Dami nila. Bro friends!
But other than land, cost of construction is also, will be higher also. Mataas na in the past couple of years, medyo tataas pa rin. Pero ba dito nag-renovate ng bahay? Wala.
Tapos na.
O, si Angel nag-renovate. Mahal, no? So those who bought earlier are lucky because the cost of production was less. Moving forward, aakyat na aakyat na. That was the bad news. So, given all of this, it shows kung bakit ProFriends is moving its inventory in the direction that it is. Can you see why we went to condo? Bakit? Because family household size is smaller. But they can also pay a little bit more. So they can cover the cost of production. Acceptable sa kanila ang condo. Kasi ang isa pang insight is that the younger market not only values open space but also convenience. And since pamahal ng pamahal ang presyo ng raw land, if you want sarili mong bahay na may lupa, hindi siya na ganon ka convenient. That's why may nabubuksan na market for condo. Because there are people who will prefer convenience over that lot. For as long as you give them that space to breathe, you give their kids space to play, and it's safe and secure. That is why we made the condo better. Why also? Because we knew that OFW market is getting bigger. We knew that BPO was something to watch out for. We just didn't know na mas malaki pala siya than we anticipated. Bonus ang That's the reason that we decided to step into condos. We also decided to step into higher price house and lots. Why?
Sa ibang bansa.
Because mahal na magtayo ng bahay, but also yung kaya na ng market to pay for it. But will we stop at those? Of course not. As we said, ProFriends always pays the long game. May lupa si ProFriends, may capacity siya to develop. As we speak, we're already developing at least 2 competitive products for you to sell in the near future.
Hindi tayo wala ng ibenta.
So as you can see, as a strategy, si ProFriends is choosing to make the move, the transition now, when it's at that place of strength. Kung kailan ka malakas, doon ka mag-evolve. Hindi yung mahina ka kung kailan ka mag-evolve. Right?
Right.
Kasi kailangan, pag nag-transition ka, medyo konting trial and error. Anong kailangan mo pag nagta-trial and error? Honest lang. Pera.
Oh.
Panahon. Right? So, our evolutions at a point of strength. At that time, both our employees and our partners, like you, can do it brilliantly. But I know it's a challenge to shift. Kami rin mismo, hindi ganun nadadalihan. Sa amin kasi hindi lang pagbenta, pati pagtayo. Kailangan gawin, pag-take out, pag-pondo, lahat yan, shifting to vertical. I know it's not easy. But I know this is the group that can do it. Why? Because your history already says that you have done it. Back during the pandemic, GC was the one who said, we choose to continue selling even during the pandemic. And this was right at the onset of the pandemic. Green Circle was that. And true enough, lumipad ang GC. Isipin nyo, tumigil ang merkado, nakabenta pa rin kayo. Nothing can be more difficult than that. This is me telling you that to do the shift now, there is a market right there. You just have to find them. Find them. And that we are here to help you. Believe na believe ako sa mga sellers like you. Ako, first ako magsasabi, hirap ako magbenta, kaya kailangan ko kayo. Hindi ko yan skill. There's something innate sa inyo, talent nyo, na magbenta. And what's more, skill nyo siya na dinanurture nyo day in and day out. Hanga ako doon. Meron nga sikat na kwento di ba? May aplikante for a sales position. Ang sabi sa kanya, nag-interview sa kanya, sell me this pen. Kahit na hindi ko kailangan. Kayo ang nakakagawa na. Whether that pen for GC was way back, a cute little project, or Carmona, or Lancaster, or Minami, Westwood, Lamore, lahat yan, kaya nyo. Ngayon pa lang nakikita na natin. As a whole network, Lamore is already selling 20 units a month. Equal na po yun sa average sales velocity ng Camellia Condo. Doon nag-research kami. Natapat nyo na po. Si Westwind already hit above 30 units. And I know that we can do more because other developers have been selling or have sold 100 units a month at the price point that we have. Kaya siya. Sure ako. Ang kailangan lang, dumesisyon. Mag-commit. Take that pause to think, what can I do differently? Accept that there will be mistakes and that there will be pain. But sabi nga nila, kung kailan parang sobrang hirap na, doon lalabas yung ginagawa.
Totoo, no?
And right through it all,
No?
this I promise you,
Kami every time na parang
will be there
may dadating na ba?
to make sure that
May
GC
marirealize na kung
shines.
Sabi nga, no pain,
Totoo, no pain, no gain.
To close, as an adult at 18
Tsaka hindi
years,
masarap
medyo
ang-
scary.
ang
Scary
achievement
out
kapag
there.
hindi mo pinaghirapan.
But rest assured, Pro Friends nandyan, leading you, being behind you to prod you, and beside you. Together kasi, hindi naman gagaling ang Pro Friends kung walang Green Circle. Thank you everyone and happy New Year.
Okay, so, just like everybody,